Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this black and white flash on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to add it to just this clip right here. So just select that clip and just go to filters and add in the black and white filter to the video. I'm also going to adjust it to make it a little bit darker so you can see the video a little bit. Actually, I'm gonna leave it. Okay, it's fine. So add a keyframe here and have it to 0 and add in like a few keyframes. So like here, add 1 and then bring it to 90 and then add another one to 0. Actually, I'm just going to, and then, okay, I'm just going to add it one by one. Add in another one on 90. Add another one at 0, add another one at 90, and you're just going to do it for like until you don't have any left. It is very tedious, let me tell you that right now. So I'm just going to try to like make it as quick as possible. Okay, we're almost done. But that honestly should be it, really. Once you're done, you should have like a black and white flash effect on your videos. Hopefully they have like an effect doing this soon, because it is super tedious to do. Okay, we're almost there. Just bear with me on this. 0 and lastly 90. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!